Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. Today we are going to be making a fluffy pancake. You know, pancakes are really good for breakfast and why not lunch and even dinner. So today I'm going to be sharing this amazing recipe with you guys. So let's So guys, in an empty bowl, I'll put 3 cups of flour, and then I'll put like 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to be using like a 1/4 cup of sugar. Guys, I'll mix all the dry ingredients together and then add a pinch of salt. So mix it together until it's even, okay? Then put it aside and go with the wet ingredients. In an empty bowl, put 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a glass of milk, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and stir until it's even. Now add the dry ingredients we kept aside and mix together until it has this great consistency, and then you know it's ready and good to go. Then we can go and start frying it. Take a look guys, exactly like that. So take like 1 cup. In this situation I took like 1.5 cups and put it in a warm pan. This pan I decided to use butter, so you melt the butter and then put it inside, okay? So and let it cook in low heat, specifically low heat guys. It's very important that you use low heat for this pancake, okay? So you can either cover it or you just let it like that, and after like 2 to 3 minutes you flip the pancake to the other side and let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes as well, and voila, your pancakes are ready guys. This is mouth watering. It tastes delicious, absolutely delicious, and you should try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the recipe, and if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell so that each time that I post you'll be the first to be notified. I added some honey and some butter, so to just give it this beautiful look, and I also love to eat it with honey or syrup, anything you like guys.